Hello, I hope you are doing great today. We are going to see a little sample of how to use endpoint routing in .NET Core. Before we start, please share the channel, like the videos, and write in the comments anything you would like to learn about .NET Core, Azure, and Unity3d. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so what is endpoint routing? Basically, it is a form of routing that you can configure to have routes without having controllers implementations. You can implement or configure your endpoints from the startup.cs. So in case you want to have like a really slight application or API, you can actually configure it by just implementing this startup.cs project. Startup.cs code. How do you configure the endpoint routing? So basically you are able to do map for the verbs such as get or post, for example. So you will see in here that we have this map get, and we tell it that the pattern is test 0, and the actual code that will be executed is the one inside the delegate and implementation. In this case, if I write if I go to the test 0 route, I will get a response with the hello world message. If I go, for example, to the other route, test 0, with something in there, it will return hello and the actual something that I have specified. So for example, you will see that here if I put test 0, I'll get the test hello world. Whatever I put in this other one, you will see that I get it as a response. So basically this is a simple way how you can implement some APIs without having the controllers overhead, for example, in case you want to have some really simple APIs. I hope this is useful for you, and please let me know anything you would like to learn about .NET Core, Azure, and Unity3d. Thank you very much and have a great day. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel too.